Hey guys, today I want to share with you how you can use some of your accommodations during distance learning. Some two important ones that I'm going to talk about today are text to speech and speech to text. So let's first talk about speech to text. So speech to text is when you talk into the computer and it types for you, okay? So I'm going to show you how to use that on Google Docs because I'm sure many of your teachers will be using this. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to Tools. You're going to go to Voice Typing. And when I want to type something, I need to click this, okay? So let's say, I don't know, I'll just say something random. Today I went to the store, period. And then when I want to stop, I press this button again. If I don't press this button, it's literally going to keep typing whatever you say. Let's say I want to check what I just wrote. You can download this extension and I'll show you how to do that. But if I go over here to this little megaphone and I click on it,
today I went to the store.
It'll read it back to me, okay? And so that's how you can use speech to text and text to speech to help you write your papers. Let's say you are in a Google form. Your teacher wants you to fill out one of these. This does not have the option to do text to speech, but what you could do is, so this question says, do you have anything to tell me? This can be about school or life. Let's just say I can type it in my Google Doc. I am having a great day, period. Okay, I can type it there and I can literally just copy it and paste it here. That way, I can also use my speech to text, okay? Okay, so let me show you how to get this little extension up here that helps read things to you. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Google and you are going to Google text to speech extension. And it will be the very first link. And this will come up. This is already downloaded for me, so it says remove from Chrome. But if it's not downloaded on your computer or Chromebook, you can click this. It'll probably say something like download, and it will download to your computer. And then you'll know it's there because this little icon will be up in this corner for you. And so it can read anything you want it to. So let's go to this Google form and let's have it read it.
Beginning of day check-in. As your day begins, please complete the questions below to let me know how you're doing. Asterisk required. First and last name asterisk.
And it will literally read everything on the page for you. Sometimes it's a little annoying and it'll read stuff like this, but it will read everything on the page for you. So if a teacher assigns you an article, like maybe from Newsella, to read, it can read it out loud for you. And it's really awesome. So I encourage you to take advantage of these accommodations. They will help you now in distance learning and later in life when you're working on things and trying to be more independent. All right, bye.